Today we are going to show you how to fit the steering wheel on your ride-on car. By following these quick and easy steps, this will ensure your steering wheel is fitted correctly to prevent any damage or issues. Step 1. Remove the nut and bolt. Start off by removing the nut and bolt from the steering wheel itself. Some models already have the nut and bolts removed. Skip this step if this is the case. Step 2. Connect the multi-plug. Connect the steering wheel wire to the multi-plug, ensuring you are lining up the pins with the plug protruding from the dashboard. Step 3. Thread the cable back through the dashboard. This is one of the most important steps when installing the steering wheel. Ensure you thread the wire and plugs back through the dashboard as far as possible. This will prevent the cable from snapping. Step 4. Fit the steering wheel onto the rack. Place the center of the steering wheel onto the steering rod. Ensure you line up the holes on the side of the steering wheel with the holes on the rod. Push the bolt through both the steering wheel and the rod while simultaneously placing the nut on the opposite side. Tighten the bolt with a Phillips head screwdriver whilst holding the nut. Make sure you do not over tighten, as this may cause damage to the steering wheel. And that's it, you have successfully fitted the steering wheel.